Welcome, here I've got HTC Desire 21 Pro 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to this settings bar and pick the second from the left button to get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the right to this one. By just one tap here we can turn on the camera grid lines, or another tap to turn them off. As you can see, the orange color suggests us that now they are turned on, and here in the preview we can see them. And these lines are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that the grid lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the left side to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see them at the real photo, so they are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course when we don't need them, we have to tap again to this button, the second from the left, and use this one. So for now the grid lines have gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.